Think your password is strong enough? Think again. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more important than ever. With the increasing number of cyber threats, it's crucial to understand how to protect your digital world. This guide will walk you through the basics of cybersecurity, helping you safeguard your personal information and devices. Here's a crash course on cybersecurity basics. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These cyber attacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money from users, or interrupting normal business processes. Cybersecurity is all about keeping your digital life safe. It encompasses everything from protecting your personal data to ensuring the security of your online transactions. Whether you're using a laptop, smartphone, or any other digital device, cybersecurity measures are essential to prevent unauthorized access and potential threats. It involves protecting your computer, phone, and data from malicious attacks. This includes using antivirus software, firewalls, and encryption to safeguard your information. Additionally, being aware of the latest cyber threats and knowing how to respond to them is a key aspect of maintaining cybersecurity. But why is it so important? The digital world is full of potential threats that can compromise your personal information and financial security. Cybercriminals are constantly finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities, making it essential to stay vigilant and proactive in protecting your digital assets. Well, data breaches, identity theft, and financial losses are on the rise. These incidents can have devastating consequences, from losing access to your accounts to having your personal information sold on the dark web. By understanding the importance of cybersecurity, you can take steps to protect yourself and minimize the risk of falling victim to these attacks. Let's break down the basics. First up, the 3 pillars of cybersecurity: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These principles form the foundation of any effective cybersecurity strategy and are essential for ensuring the security and reliability of your digital information. Confidentiality means keeping info accessible only to those who need it. This involves implementing measures such as encryption and access controls to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. Confidentiality means keeping info accessible only to those who need it. This involves implementing measures such as encryption and access controls to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. By ensuring that only authorized individuals can access your information, you can protect your privacy and prevent data breaches. Integrity ensures that your data stays accurate and unaltered. This means protecting your information from being tampered with or corrupted. Techniques such as checksums, digital signatures, and version control can help maintain the integrity of your data, ensuring that it remains reliable and trustworthy. And availability means your data is always there when you need it. This involves ensuring that your systems and data are accessible whenever you need them, without interruptions. Implementing redundancy, backups, and disaster recovery plans can help maintain the availability of your information even in the event of a cyber attack or system failure. Now let's talk threats. Malware like viruses and ransomware can wreak havoc. These malicious programs can infect your devices, steal your data, and even lock you out of your own systems until you pay a ransom. Phishing is when scammers trick you into giving up sensitive info. This often involves sending fake emails or messages that appear to be from legitimate sources, prompting you to click on malicious links or provide personal information. Man-in-the-middle attacks intercept and alter communication. In these attacks, cybercriminals position themselves between you and the person or service you're communicating with, allowing them to eavesdrop on or manipulate the information being exchanged. And DOS attacks overwhelm your system, making it unusable. These attacks flood your network or servers with traffic, causing them to crash and become inaccessible to legitimate users. So, how do you protect yourself? Start with strong passwords and change them regularly. A strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access to your accounts. Start with strong passwords and change them regularly. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to create a password that's difficult to guess. Consider using a password manager to keep track of your passwords and ensure they're unique for each account. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security. This adds an additional layer of protection by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. Keep your software updated to patch vulnerabilities. Regularly updating your operating system, applications, and antivirus software ensures that you have the latest security patches and protections against new threats. Install antivirus software and be cautious with email links and attachments. Antivirus software can detect and remove malicious programs, while being vigilant with emails can help you avoid phishing scams and other threats. For network security, use firewalls, VPNs, and secure your Wi-Fi with strong passwords. Firewalls can block unauthorized access to your network, while VPNs encrypt your internet connection, making it more secure. Protect your data with encryption and regular backups. Encryption scrambles your data, making it unreadable to unauthorized users, while regular backups ensure you can recover your information in case of a cyber attack or system failure. Limit access to sensitive info based on user roles. By restricting access to only those who need it, you can reduce the risk of unauthorized access and potential data breaches. And if an incident happens, be prepared with a response plan. Identify, contain, eradicate, recover, and learn from it. Having a well-defined incident response plan can help you quickly and effectively address any cybersecurity incidents, minimizing damage and preventing future attacks. Be prepared with a response plan. Identify, contain, eradicate, recover, and learn from it. Having a well-defined incident response plan can help you quickly and effectively address any cybersecurity incidents, minimizing damage and preventing future attacks. Lastly, keep learning. Cybersecurity is an ever-evolving field, and staying informed about the latest threats and best practices is crucial for maintaining your digital security. Use online courses, books, and certifications to stay updated. There are many resources available to help you expand your knowledge and skills in cybersecurity, from online tutorials to professional certifications. Join cybersecurity communities and practice with labs and CTF challenges. Engaging with others in the cybersecurity field can provide valuable insights and opportunities to practice your skills in a supportive environment. Remember, cybersecurity is a continuous journey. Stay informed, stay safe. By taking proactive steps to protect your digital world, you can reduce the risk of cyber threats and enjoy a safer online experience.